Hi, my name is Kim Cullen and I'm a Winter Park personal injury attorney. I'm here today to talk to you about what you need to do if you're faced with a Florida dog bite case. The very first thing that you need to do is probably the most obvious. It's seek medical attention. If you've been bitten by a dog in Florida, the very most important thing to do is to get to a doctor so that you can be evaluated by the doctor, given a rabies shot if you need a rabies shot, and have your wound cared for. The longer you let a dog bite wound go without seeking medical treatment, the worse your result is going to be. So you want to definitely seek medical attention. Second thing you need to do is try to determine who the owner of the dog is. Owners of dogs in Florida can be held strictly liable for any damages caused by their dogs. This is not true of every animal, by the way. It's not true of cats necessarily or other animals, but dogs, there's a specific statute on the books in Florida that makes a dog owner strictly liable for any damages caused by their dog. Florida is not a one free bite state. There are many states in the country where owners cannot be held liable unless they know their dog bites people, and that's not true in Florida. So it's very important to find out who owns the dog. The next thing that you need to do is try to determine whether the people have insurance. That's not necessarily going to get you a recovery in a Florida dog bite case, because there are many insurance companies who write exceptions or exemptions into their policies for dog bites in general, and then there are other companies that write them for certain breeds of dogs, like Dobermans or Rottweilers, Pit Bulls, that sort of thing. So it's important to get a hold of the person who owns the dog and also get their insurance information. Many homeowners or dog owners are not happy to give out this information, so sometimes it's important to contact an attorney's office so that we can write letters for you and try to get the information that you need. The last thing that you need to know about a Florida dog bite case is they don't normally resolve very quickly. The reason for that is that most doctors or most plastic surgeons, if you're faced with a scar after a dog bite, they want to watch that scar for 6 months to a year before they can determine whether plastic surgery or cosmetic surgery is going to be of any benefit to the dog bite victim. So these cases, very regularly we find out all the information that we need to know, and then we sort of have to sit on these cases until such time as the doctor says, well, this scar is as good as it's going to get, or he says, I can do a certain treatment that will make this scar a lot better. So if you have any questions about a Florida dog bite case, please call me or my partner, Robert Hemphill, at 407-254-4901, or visit our website at cullen-hemphill.com.